Hello Mathlink Cubes lovers. Today we will make vehicle creation again. We will make police car. Are you ready? Let's do it.
Genius Kids channel.
First we will make the bottom of the car. I use black cubes, but you can use any other color you like. Make it rectangle with 14 cubes and the bottom of the car is done. Now we make the body of the car. I use white and dark green cubes. Do you see our police car is almost done? Now we install the car siren light with blue and red cubes. The last part we will install the wheels of the car and the front and rear lights of the car. Our police car is finished. If you are happy, let me know. Do you have any other creative ideas that we are going to make? Please write in the comments section, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.